Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing Move Your Body, okay? It is a four-wall dance and it is 4 counts of 8. Now I'm going to give this an intermediate type of line dance, but don't worry about it because I got you, all right? We're going to break it down, okay? So, going to turn around, make it easier to follow, all right? This is my right, this is my left. First count of 8 or side step with the kick, with the quarter turn and a kick. Ready? Okay, you're going to step with the right, right, left, right, left, right, step left, and this is where you turn, a quarter turn, and then kick up with the right foot, okay? And then finish it with double stomps, okay? So let's do that again. I know that was pretty fast. Ready? Right, left, right, left, right, step left, kick up right, now down with 2 steps with the right foot. Ready? Let's count it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn 5, kick 6, step 7, 8. Got it? Okay, second count of 8 are more double stomps with a rock in between, all right? So let's break it down. Ready? So you're going to step with the left foot. You're going to stomp forward. 1, 2. Then bring the right for a rock. 3, rock up, and then back. Rock back on 4. And then with this right foot that's up, step back for double. 5, 6. And then step back with the left double. 7, 8. Okay? Now I'm showing it with the double stomps. You may see it with a cha-cha-cha with 3 steps, like 1, 2, 3, right? But for this instructional, it'll just be with the double stomps, okay? So, second count of 8 again. Step with the left, up, 1, 2, rock with the right, up, 3, and back, 4, right, back, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? So, let's put those first 2 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right. Turn, kick up, step 2. And 2 more. Now rock it, back 2, left 2. Okay? All right. So, third count of 8. Third count of 8 are going to be knee raises and a half turn. Okay? So, let's break it down. We're going to step out with our right foot, bring it in, and then up, okay? Down, and then step out with the left foot. Bring it in, and then up, okay? So I'm going to face you so you can see what I'm doing. I'm out, in, up, down, out, in, up, okay? So the count is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? From here, we're going to step back with this right foot that's up. I'm sorry, step back with this left foot that's up for a count of 5 and 6. So that's just a little rock. 5, 6, and then you're going to make your half turn with 3 steps, 7 and 8. Okay? And that's with like a cha-cha, 3 steps. So we just went out, in, up, down, out, in, up. Now rock, back, and turn. Okay? All right. So that's the third step. All right, let's put all that together. Ready? From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn 5, kick 6, step 7, 8. Step 1, 2, rock 3, 4, step 5, 6, step 7, 8. Out and up and out and up. Step back and turn. Okay? We got it? All right, so from here, you're facing the side now. From here, we're going to do, this is the 4th count of 8. It's body rolls and a sailor step, all right? This is probably the easiest 4th count, okay? Because all we're doing is up, in, down, up, and down. So roll your body for 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So 2 counts, starting with the right. Right? So after you do the body rolls, we just went 1. You're going to step back when you step back with the right foot for the first one. Step back with the left foot for the second one. Okay? And from here, you're going to do the sailor step. And what that is you step back with the right and then step on the left and bring the right back forward with the even with the left. And then you repeat it. Step back with the left, step on the right, and bring the left forward again. Okay, so it looks like this: 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. In dance world, it's called I think it's a step ball change, if my memory serves me right. But in line dance world, we call it a sailor step. Okay. So 4th count of 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right. Woo, that was it, y'all. All right, let's put it together. We're going to go real slow because it's a lot of moves in this dance. All right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, step, left, and turn. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now rock it. Step back, 2 step back. Now knees up, knees up. Now step back. Now cha, cha, cha. Roll your body, sailor step, right? And here the dance starts over, okay? Off to the side, all right? And then turn it, okay? So let's do it again. We're gonna count it out this time and maybe speed it up just a tiny bit. All right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Roll your body. 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Right? And then it starts over. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Rock 3, 4. Step 5, 6. Step 7, 8. Out and up, out and up. Step back. Now turn it and body roll, sailor step, and it starts over. 3 and 4. Turn, kick, step, and step. Now rock it and step. Now knees up. Now step back, turn 1, 2, 3, and body roll, sailor step. Now starts over. And turn and step. Now rock and step. Now knees up, step back. Now turn it and body roll, sailor step. Woo! That is it, y'all. I hope this instructional was beneficial to you. I enjoyed teaching it. If my mom was here, this would be the one we'd be out on the dance floor together doing it with. Love her, bless her. Whew, thank you I got it honest. That's all I'll say. I got it honest. So, but anyway, if this instructional was helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to keep them coming. I want you to join me on this journey, y'all. Let's get it, okay? All right? So, until next time, see you on the dance floor. Mwah.